Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm checking out a super useful tool called AIEnhancer, which is basically an all-in-one photo and video fixer. And when I say all-in-one, I mean it, because this thing bundles every image enhancer, remover, editor, and filter into one clean website. So instead of jumping across 5 apps, you can literally do everything here. Let me show you how it actually works with live try-ons. Let's start with the first category, image enhancer. Under this, they have photo restoration, unblur image, image sharpening, and an HD picture converter. I'm going to upload a really old, slightly blurry photo. First, I'm trying unblur image on the same photo, and you can see it clearing up the soft edges. Now let me try photo restoration, and wow, it brings back the faded colors instantly. And if I apply image sharpening, the details pop even more. Finally, the HD picture converter takes this entire image and upscales it to a cleaner, higher resolution. This is perfect if you're restoring old family photos or fixing screenshots. Next up is image remover, and this one has background remover, logo background remover, watermark remover, cleanup pictures, and object remover. I'll start with a portrait shot and try the background remover. One click and boom, clean PNG with super crisp edges. Let me try the logo background remover on a product shot,
and it wipes out the background while keeping the logo and product intact.
Now I'm uploading an image with a timestamp for the watermark remover, and it rebuilds the background really naturally. For fun, I'll test cleanup pictures by removing some scratches from an old scan photo, and the marks just disappear. And finally, object remover. Let's remove a random person from my travel picture. And it fills in the background perfectly. This is so helpful for Instagram photos. Now let's check the fun part, image filters. They only have 2 here, photo to anime and photo to sketch. I'm uploading one selfie, first into the anime filter, and it actually gives a cute, soft shaded anime version. Then I'll drop the same photo into the sketch filter, and this one looks like a real pencil drawing, perfect for profile pics or creative posts. Then there's the image editor category with the AI image editor, image compressor, MB to KB converter, and tools for reducing or compressing image sizes. I'm going to upload a product image into the AI image editor, and you can do simple edits like exposure, contrast, or basic corrections. Then I'll switch to image compressor and reduce the file size without losing quality. Super helpful if you're uploading to a website or sending files online. These MB to KB converters are honestly lifesavers for anyone dealing with uploading limits. And the last tool in this menu is the Video Watermark Remover. I'm uploading a short Instagram clip with the watermark in the corner. I select the area, hit remove, and the watermark is gone while the video stays sharp. This is great for repurposing your own videos without the platform logos. So yeah, AIEnhancer isn't just one feature, it's a whole toolkit. You can restore, sharpen, upscale, clean backgrounds, remove objects, edit images, add creative filters, and even wipe watermarks off videos. All in the same place, all inside a browser, no software needed. If you're a creator, a business, a photographer, or just someone with old photos that deserve a second life, this site is honestly worth trying. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want me to test more AI tools like this, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.